Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Digit with budgeting apps. Integrating Digit with budgeting apps allows you to view all of your financial data in one place, giving you a more holistic picture of your income, spendings, and of course your savings goals. Here are the steps to connect Digit with budgeting apps. First, check compatibility. Now, Digit doesn't directly integrate with every budgeting apps, but many, like Mint, YNAB, or Personal Capital. You can track Digit's transactions if Digit is linked through your bank account. Second, log into your budgeting app. Open your budgeting app, it could be Mint, YNAB, and go to the section to add or manage accounts. Step 3, add your linked bank account. Since Digit saves money from your bank account and return it there, you can link the same bank account that you use with Digit. This allows your budgeting apps to pick up savings transfers automatically. Next, enable automatic updates. Most budgeting apps automatically categorize incoming and outgoing transactions. Just make sure syncing is on. Next, label transactions as savings. In your budgeting app, you want to manually label transfers to Digit as savings, or you could create a custom category for Digit. This helps you to monitor exactly how much you're saving through Digit without skewing your spending categories. Bonus tip, some platforms may allow CSV imports of Digit's exported savings data. Use that to manually track savings or if your app doesn't auto-sync. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and ring that notification bell so you never miss another updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.